is 90 Surya Namaskar in 52 minutes and I've burned. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to day 11 of our journey. And right now it's 6:30 a.m. Been raining since like 5-6 days और रुक ही नहीं रहा है पानी. I think it stops for half an hour or 1 hour and then it continues. I like the rainy weather. The only thing is that you can't go out for a walk during this season. It's raining outside, so we are again going to do Surya Namaskar. So yesterday we did 80 Surya Namaskar and right now I'm thinking of doing 90 at least. Hey guys, I've completed 40 Surya Namaskar and it's been 23 minutes and I burned around 149 calories. So 50 Surya Namaskars to go. Hey guys, I finished 50 more, so basically total is 90 Surya Namaskar in 52 minutes and I've burned 350 calories. You can look at the sweat. You tell me.
80.
90.
Extra.
I did 90.
Very good. How
बहुत
are you
थक गए. I burned 350 calories. And can you calculate Google वाला? 13.9 into 90. 1251 calories. I don't wanna say anything. But if I lose weight after a week of doing this, if I'm burning 1200 or 1300 calories and eating food of 1500, I should lose at least 7 kgs in a week. 5 kgs है ना, something like that. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है तो मतलब उतनी बर्न नहीं हो रही है. Hey guys, so I'm eating 1 cup poha, which is brown rice poha, and 1 cup moong sprouts, which is fully cooked in little bit of oil. That's it for the breakfast, and let me show you. So this is 1 cup poha, which is, so 1 cup basically is 250 ml. So आप एक बड़ी कटोरी से measure कर सकते हैं. And this is 1 cup moong sprouts. Bon appetit! So it's 11 a.m. and it's time for a snack. So I'm eating 1 apple and as well as coconut water. It's 1:30 p.m. and it's time for lunch. Today I'm having 1 big size uttapam with lots and lots of veggies, and with that I'm going to eat coconut chutney, like 1 teaspoon. उस कोकोनट में भी बहुत ज़्यादा फैट होता है. वन मोर अपडेट, तो अगर आपको पता है कि हमारे घर के एक गमले में बुलबुल चिड़िया ने अंडे दिए हैं. सो आई थिंक उसके 3 एग्स में से एक हैच हो चुका है. वी जस्ट सॉ दैट एंड आई विल ट्राई टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ इट, बट वी डोंट वांट टू डिस्टर्ब दैम. So this is 1 big size uttapam, and with that this is coconut chutney, which I'll only take 1 teaspoon. Hey guys, so we are going to my parents' house for chai. So वहाँ पे snacks होगा. So I'll shoot the snack time over there. See ya.
It's night in the city.
Hey guys, I'm having tea after such a long time and it's without sugar. So this is like whole cup and I ate little bit of roasted chana as well, just the salted one. That's the snack. Adya!
Hello everyone, let's learn some capitals today. Instant,
Afghanistan,
Abu,
Azerbaijan,
Baku,
Armenia,
Yerevan.
And I'm on my way back home. Humming on my favorite ditty, swinging like Natalie Cole. But then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where.
Okay guys, so I'm returning back home and Bhaiya is dropping me क्योंकि अंकुर जल्दी घर चला गया था. So we played a little bit of cards. It's almost 6:30 and I'm going to eat makhana when I reach home. Bye!
Breaking up in the best of ways, and I'm back again on the street.
It's almost 6:30 and I missed my snack time. So right now I'm eating 1 cup makhana, which is roasted in a teaspoon of ghee, not oil, and with a little bit of salt and black pepper, and it's healthy and nutritious as well. So after 1.5 hours I'll eat the dinner. Anki, what are we eating today?
Dal and chawal.
Which dal?
Moong dal.
हम लोग बेसिकली मूंग दाल को बनाते हैं लौंग और जीरा के तड़के के साथ. लौंग से टेस्ट बहुत अमेजिंग आता है. सो यू कैन ट्राई दैट. या सो टुडे वी आर हैविंग दाल एंड चावल. सो आई टेक हाफ कटोरी राइस and 1 full katori dal, and with that I'm going to eat 1 cucumber and 1 carrot. Okay guys, so I say half katori and full katori. So this is basically the full katori, which is 250 ml, जो अपना measuring वाला cup होता है cakes वगैरह के लिए, kind of उतनी है. And this is like half katori, which is a smaller size of this one. I take half katori rice, so it will be like small वाली katori. So this much of rice I'm eating, and I'm eating full katori dal. So basically I have to fill this up. So this is the consistency of the dal, which is not very thin and not very thick. And I've squeezed half lemon in this because it tastes amazing. And I'm not adding any extra ghee on the rice क्योंकि दाल का तड़का already घी में लगा हुआ है, so you don't need extra fat. Yeah, that's it. So that's my plate, and this is the salad, which I'll eat 1 whole bowl. Bon appetit! That's it for today's video, and I hope you liked it. So today I burned 668 calories and 7,538 steps with 5.34 kilometers, which is not bad at all. And tomorrow we will do probably 108 Surya Namaskar, but we will see. And I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload my new video. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night.